Hi guys, so today we are making the ultimate taste of Goa, a dish that is spicy, tangy and absolutely unforgettable. So today we are mastering the art of Goan pork skin sausage chili fry, or also known as Kaathechi Chorisam, or as we call it, the legendary Choris chili fry. This isn't just a food, it's a Goan institution. What makes this dish so iconic? It's the sausage itself, packed with bold spices, garlic, ginger and a tang punch of vinegar. We are going to take those powerful flavors and turn them into a mouth-watering dish. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first take 30 to 35 Goan pork skin sausages, also known as Kaathechi Chorisam in Goa. Then simply remove the thread. Separate the meat and discard the sausage skin. Do exactly as shown. So I have separated the sausage meat here. Leave this aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add oil. Add 3 garlic cloves chopped, 1 inch ginger chopped, 2 green chilies and fried for few seconds. Then add 2 onion chopped and fried until the onion is nice and soft. Then add 1 tomato chopped and fry it until the tomatoes are nice and soft. Then add half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the Goan pork skin sausage meat and fry it for about 7 to 10 minutes. Fry it until the skin leaves its fat. As you can see that the pork skin has left its fat and the meat is perfectly cooked. Make sure it is something like this. Then add 1 green bell pepper, add some salt to taste, add 1 stock cube, add 1 tablespoon Goan vinegar and fry this until the bell peppers are nice and soft. Fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So the Goan pork skin sausage chili fry is ready. And there you have it guys, our vibrant, fiery and deeply flavorful Goan pork skin sausage chili fry. Just look at those beautiful chunk of sausages and that vibrant red color. Remember, the secret to this dish is letting the fat and the spices from the Goan sausages do all the work. It's that spicy, tangy kick from the vinegar in the sausages that makes the dish an absolute legendary. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.